Hi, I'm here to share with you all the midday movers, but before that, let's have a quick look at how the markets are performing. So the index Nifty is definitely under pressure, but if you see the broader markets, the selling is even more over there. You see the Nifty mid cap and small cap, they both are under pressure, and even the declines are even more than Nifty index. Now coming to the stocks that have been moving and showing momentum in today's trading session. First up is SONA BLW Precision. The company has come up with their numbers first time after the listing. That was a stellar listing, and the numbers also in the first quarter of FY22 are really great. If you see the numbers, then the company swings to a net profit of around 82.2 crores versus around half a crore loss that was recorded last year. So overall, the revenues of the company declined on a quarter-on-quarter basis, but if you see the net profit, then it has shown a really good growth. It was a loss in last year, but on a quarter-on-quarter basis, the profits has grown by around 38%. This time, the share from their battery electric vehicles has now increased to around 20%, and going forward, the management expects that this segment will be the fastest growing for them. The revenue jumps around threefold on a YOY basis, and going forward, they are positive to maintain their EBIT margins around this particular level. That's around 27%. They are expecting to hold on to such kind of a margins. Also, along with this, the brokerage firm Nomura has initiated their coverage on that. Nomura has given a buy rating on the stock with a target price of 505 rupees. So that's surely one stock to focus on. Next up is RVNL. The stock is up around 1.5%. The company gets 3 consultancy projects of around 29 crores from National Highway and Infrastructure Development Corporation, and because of this, the stock is in focus. Another stock is Rolex Rings that has made a strong debut on the stock market. If you see the stock price right now, so that's a little bit under pressure from the highs that has been made by the company today. But overall, from the issue price, if you compare, then the stock is up around 31%. Also, Mahindra Mahindra is in focus. This time, the revenues were in line to the estimates, while the profit figure was slightly above to the estimated number. And overall, the company did hold to its margin. That's just around 80% decline on a quarter-on-quarter basis, and even brokerages are positive on that. After the results, Credit Suisse has come up with their Outperform rating and has given a target price of around 1,000 rupees. They say that the tractor market share gains were seen in Q1, and the key UV launches and possible uptick in the last mile EV adoption is there for the company. They look forward to more of the market share gains in the tractor, and better UV production will aid their revenue numbers. The company has managed to succeed in improving returns of the key investments, and that will further help them unlock value. As of now, the valuation and the trading parameters the company has they find it to be the cheapest among the coverage, and they do highlight that FY23 P multiple for the company is at 10.5%, and because of that, they find it quite cheap at the current market price. And now let's quickly take a look at the losers. Nalco is under pressure. That's around 11.5% of decline that you can see on the stocks, while the company this time actually got into lower volumes that were quite visible on the numbers, and high costs did hit Nalco on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Another stock that's declining is Torrent Power. The stock price is around down 4.5% because of the weak results this time posted by the company. And lastly, Balakrishna Industries. There has been a downgrade by Nomura today, where Nomura has given a reduced rating on the stock this time, but they have raised their target price to 2,200. They find the valuations quite expensive for Balakrishna Industry, and the stock is down around 4%.